Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today we're going to find out who won this J Mark crochet kit. So before I get into that, I do want to mention if you like all things yarn and crochet and you haven't done so yet, be sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. Alright you guys, I'm here to announce the winner of the J Mark crochet kit set, and I apologize it took me a little bit to get this out to you, but here it is. I do always go to the comment picker website, and I get the link here from my video. I go over to the comment picker website, and then I paste in that video link, and I filter out duplicate users. That's the only thing that I ever filter. And let's go ahead and get the YouTube comments. It's awesome. 154 comments are participating in this particular giveaway. Thank you all so much for doing that. So let's go down and let's see who won. Hey, congratulations, Bonnie Myers. She said, I think I would make my own kit, but I think the yarn is in beautiful colors. And I agree. That's some beautiful colors. And the toolkit is awesome, and I think that you'll like it. Just note that it's a DK weight yarn. I am pretty sure it's acrylic yarn. That's what they posted on their on the Amazon website. So you can be pretty confident in that. But and it is super soft yarn. It really is. Anyway, congratulations, Bonnie. Go ahead, hit me up at hookedtotheleft@gmail.com, and I will get that out to you just as soon as I can. In the meantime, if you guys enjoyed this kind of content or you like this video, go down below, hit that like button, and don't forget to hit the bell and the subscribe so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. And while you're down there, make sure you say congratulations to the winner, or if you're Bonnie, just say woohoo, or whatever you want to say. That's fine. Anyway, everybody, thank you so much for joining me here today. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.